This is the part 2 video of installing floor lights in a car. Here I'm going to use door courtesy lights or cabin light line to take power for floor lights. I hooked up the connections with courtesy cabin light wire. Check for the floor lights with the door courtesy switches. The floor LED lights with courtesy switch working properly. For running wire through the side and removing driver side column panel and door rubber seal. Here running the lights wire. Using a small cable to run the floor lights wire to the other side. Proceed the wire to passenger side, remove door rubber seal, also run wire under the floor mate, to hide wires. After running the wire, fix one LED light under the dashboard in passenger side. Fixing another LED light under first row passenger seat. Now in passenger side, fix two LED lights. Fix other LED lights under driver seat, and removing driver side door rubber seal, to hide the running wire, under the car floor mate. Now fixed one LED light under driver seat. And fixed fourth LED light under driver side dashboard. After running the wires, fix the door rubber seals in both doors. Hide the LED light wiring over the car headlines, and run it through the driver side column, where the driver can get easy access to the switch. Connecting the floor lights connections with courtesy cabin light wire. Cover the wire connections with the cabin light wires. After running the wire, fix the cabin light as it before, and side column panel, that removed for running the wires. All the LED light running wires are hidden, under the covers and floor mate. Placed one LED light under passenger side dashboard and placed another LED light under passenger side front seat, as showing in the video. Placed one LED light under the driver seat and placed fourth LED light under driver side dashboard. over the paddles. Hear how it's look with the floor lights installed in car with switch. And it's working well with the door courtesy lights. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing for more videos.